Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In this tutorial, we are going to create this beautiful smoky eye makeup with brown tones and a shimmery nude eyeshadow using a very easy technique. I will explain in detail the brushes I use, so if you're a beginner, don't miss this tutorial. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. For this eye makeup look, you only need to use 3 eyeshadow colors. I recommend using tape for easier application. Carefully place the tape at the outer corner of your eyelid. At this stage, we will mark the area on the lid to make blending easier. I start with a flat brush and apply a dark matte brown shadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. We will apply the shadows one after the other. Then I use a slightly lighter brown shadow for the middle of the lid. I've chosen color tones that are commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes, so if you have these tones in your palette, definitely try this eye makeup look. Finally, I use a shimmer shadow for the inner part of the lid. This serves as a guide for your eye makeup look. I switch to a fluffy brush and blend the dark brown shadow at the outer corner of the eyelid. I blend in the same area where the shadow was applied using a sweeping motion. If you notice that you need to add more shadow while blending, dip the fluffy brush into the shadow again and gradually add it to the outer corner of the eyelid with a sweeping motion. At this stage, I fix the line between the shadows and blend well to ensure there are no harsh lines. I clean my brush with a tissue because I want to blend the top part of the shadow, which is the crease of my eyelid. At this stage, I take my time to blend well and use a sweeping motion to blend the crease area. I usually use this type of brush known as a crease brush for blending shadows. You can use any fluffy brush that you are comfortable with. I repeat the same process for the middle of my eyelid using a slightly lighter brown shadow with the same brush. Blend well in the center and the crease of your eyelid to achieve a soft, smoky effect without any harsh lines. For this eye makeup, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. However, I have listed the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I use a flat brush for the inner part of my eyelid because this brush helps the shimmery shadow stick better. I carefully apply the shadow in this area of my eyelid. This combination of eyeshadow colors is incredibly attractive and versatile. You can use lighter shades for a daily makeup look and achieve a beautiful look with the same tones for parties. Blending shimmer shadow is very easy. You can use your finger instead of a brush and it works just as well. Just make sure that the shadows are blended together without any visible edges. I realized that the shimmery shadow in my crease needs to be set. I use a cotton swab to fix the shadow. This is the final step of blending and setting the shadow. I use a clean brush to blend the shadows together in the crease so that there are no patchy areas. Then I decided to make the shadows bolder by adding a bit more dark brown shadow at the outer corner of the eyelid and increasing the shimmery shadow at the inner part. We have completed this beautiful eye makeup step by step. Now it's time to remove the tape and see how professional and attractive this easy eye makeup looks. I will set the leftover shadows under my eyes with a beauty blender. Don't forget that applying shadow on the lower lash line is important because it enhances the beauty of the eye makeup significantly. I use a small flat brush, apply a light brown shadow across the entire lower lash line, and then I add a dark brown shadow. Blending the eyeshadow at this stage is very easy. I decided to add a bit of shimmery shadow to the inner part of the lower lash line. Be sure to try this technique, I absolutely love it. To finish the makeup, use mascara or false lashes. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. I hope this step-by-step tutorial has been helpful for you. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Also, I post tutorial videos with different techniques every week, so if you're interested, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to get notified about future videos. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.